Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. This video is about Newland's law of octaves. He given law that is law of octaves. He is a British chemist. In 1864, he came to know 62 elements. John Newland arranged them in the ascending order of elements with increasing atomic weights. The properties of every eighth element were similar to those of first element. If take example A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. See if H is resembling the properties of A element, first one. So that's why H is put in this group. Again, if you take H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, again O is resembling the properties of H. Like that, he arranged the elements with increasing order of atomic weights. Again, he has taken some musical notes. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa means lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and sodium. Sodium resembling the properties of lithium. So sodium put in this group. Again, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Potassium is resembling the properties of sodium. Again, he arranged in the same group. Like that, he arranged the elements in the periodic table with increasing order of atomic weights. Scandium is not satisfying the rule of octaves. This law is given up to only 20 elements, means up to calcium. Drawbacks of Newland's law of octaves. Cobalt, nickel are arranged in the same slot. A arranged group of halogens and some metals like cobalt, nickel, platinum together. He doesn't leave any space for the newly invented elements. Let's look table briefly. See, fluorine, chlorine, non-metals, cobalt, nickel, palladium, platinum, iridium, these are the metals, but togetherly they put in the periodic table. This is the drawback, one of the drawback. Again, cobalt and nickel, he arranged in same slot. These are the drawbacks to reject the law of Newland's octaves. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.